Sparrows are super adaptable birds that live pretty much everywhere around the world. They're really good at living in cities and towns, hanging out with humans. These little birds make their homes in tiny spots like holes in trees or buildings, which shows how they can live in lots of different places. What's cool about sparrows is how social they are. They like to be in big groups called colonies or flocks. When they're together, they help each other out by protecting their nests, finding food, and taking care of their babies. They also communicate uniquely by using various chirps and calls to converse with each other within their flock.